Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center has been featured in magazines like People, Bustle, Los Angeles Rack, Basque, Malibu Magazine, Hollywood Life, Examiner, and more. Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center combines the worlds of medical practice with aesthetic enhancements to offer a unique melding of services to address a variety of needs. These transformational, affordable, and non-invasive services help our guests look and feel their very best, both inside and out. For those seeking a medical spa franchise opportunity, Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center offers a wide range of services delivered by licensed estheticians, registered nurses, and physicians. Available treatments include:
we offer a variety of treatments and services such as bioidentical hormone replacement, cool sculpting for fat reduction, therapy for non-surgical facelift, a bunch of aesthetic treatments such as injectables, skin tightening, body contouring, feminine rejuvenation. So we offer a wide variety of treatments and services here.
Franchisees benefit from a strong support system. That includes everything from site selection, build-out, proven marketing programs to ongoing support and everything in between.
I've had experience of life-changing services we offer here at Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center. As a new franchisee, I would be your point person to help you develop your franchise. I'll be responsible for all your training and development and ongoing support after your franchise opens. So the areas of your franchise development that I would be helping with would be operations, which would be everything from how your front desk answers the phone, schedules your patients, to how your providers do consultations with their patients, to inventory tracking and inventory control, as well as staff training and hiring. I love this franchise concept because we have successfully combined the art of beauty and the science of health so anyone can age beautifully.
Why would a franchisee want to engage with Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center? We've actually been through the ups and downs in this industry, and we've actually survived. We're here 13 years later in this industry, and it's booming more than ever now. And I feel like we have something to offer people. I feel like now, with all of our experience combined, in addition to our team members who have additional experience in the aesthetic industry, I think we have something really powerful to tell the rest of the world. I think we have a great brand, we have great people, a lot of experience. They actually can build a viable business.
My relationship with BHRC has been wonderful. I really love this company, and I love the founders, Dan and Devin. They really care about the health of the patients, and working closely with Dan, I've been able to learn what I didn't really learn in medical school, which is the use of bioidentical hormones in helping my patients achieve better health. I am so dedicated to helping patients now because I had the knowledge of nutrition and whole food plant-based diets and fitness, but I was lacking that knowledge in hormone optimization with the use of bioidentical hormones. And the best thing that has happened to me in the last decade of my life is stumbling upon the knowledge of hormone replacement therapy and meeting Dan, who has helped me grow in this field. And now I'm able to offer the trifecta of health, which is the nutrition, fitness, and hormone optimization to my patients, and be able to guide them and help them feel the way I feel, which is amazing.